let's go into that exact spot. The third one, we were pressing on the stick. Press it down and show me your stance. Yeah, how would it be? Yeah, not too wide, not too narrow. Nice. Oriented where? Oriented forward, exactly, where the nose of the board goes. So what does it mean? It means my chest bone oriented towards the nose of the board. Yes, exactly. So here, as I mentioned that the hips are in a huge charge of overall balance, they should be able to move, because balance is a dynamic term. It's never like stance on the board, something like this. Oh, this is my stance, I can't move. No, stance means moving, yeah? So show me your hips are moving. More. Swing them like a pendulum, just swing them. Nice. The less you move your head and shoulders, the better, because now your head and your shoulders, especially head, is the highest point. If you keep that highest point stable, everything else will be in a better balance.